A warm welcome to today's lesson, and we have an integration question here. Now I'm going to tackle this through substitution. Going to have let u equal 4 minus x squared. Go ahead and differentiate this to get du by dx. That's equal to negative 2x. And therefore dx is equal to du over negative 2x. So substituting these into the original integral, what I have is the integral of x cubed, and then we've got the 4 minus x squared, which is u, and the square root of u, I can write that as u to the power of a half. So u to the power of a half. The dx, well, dx is now du over negative 2x. So du over negative 2x. Let's go ahead and tidy things up a little bit here. This x here will cancel with one of these, leaving me with x squared. And I can bring this negative 2 here, which is actually negative a half. I can bring that outside of the integral. So we've got negative a half. We've got the integral of x squared u to the power of a half with respect to u. Now we can't perform that integral yet because we've got this x squared term. But if I go to here, what we can do, we can rearrange this to find x squared. And when we rearrange that, we get that x squared is equal to 4 minus u. So I can substitute this back in for x squared. So what we have is the integral of minus a half. The x squared we've just said is 4 minus u, so 4 minus u. And then we've got u to the power of a half with respect to u. I'm going to expand these brackets here. So what we'll get is negative a half. We've got the integral. We'll have 4u to the power of a half minus, so we've got u to the power of 1 multiplied by u to the power of a half, which is u to the power of 3 over 2, and that is with respect to u. Negative a half. Okay, let's do some integration here. We've got 4u to the power of a half, so we need to increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power. So 4u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus increase the power by 1, so u to the 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2, and then just add on the constant of integration. We can now go ahead and tidy things up a bit here. So I'll write this out longhand just so you can see what's going on. We've got this negative a half, and then the 3 over 2, we're dividing by 3 over 2, which is the same as multiplying by 2/3. So this 2 is going to be multiplied by the 4. So we're going to get 8u to the 3 over 2 over 3 minus, and the same thing here, this 2 is going to be multiplied up here, so we're going to get 2u to the 5 over 2, and that is over 5, and then just add on the constant of integration. Now let's go ahead and do some more cancelling here. What we've got is this 2 here will cancel here to leave me with 4, and the 2 also has to cancel here. That just leaves me with 1 there. So rewrite this as we've got negative. We've got 4u to the 3 over 2 over 3 minus u to the 5 over 2 over 5, and then just add on that constant of integration. Now the negative here and the negative here, we can play around with these and just get rid of this negative here. So what we're going to get is negative 4. Now the u is 4 minus x squared. So we've got 4 minus x squared to the power of 3 over 2. That's all over 3. This negative and this negative will give us a positive. And then we've got the u, which is 4 minus x squared. So 4 minus x squared. That is to the power of 5 over 2. That is all over 5. And then just add on the constant of integration. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.